Hello everyone. Let us continue our discussions on some objective models of differential equations. Okay. Already in the last class I've explained some objective questions. Now today also I'm going to explain some another models of differential equation. Okay. The first question is the solution of this differential equation with y of 1 is equal to 0. Yesterday also I have explained this type of model y of 0 equal to 0. वो क्वेश्चन में था. ये क्वेश्चन में है y of 1 equal to 0. What does it mean? Y of 1 equal to 0 means 1 is x coordinate and 0 is y coordinate. Like f of x equal to y. So this is y coordinate and this one is x coordinate. चलो ठीक है, ये तो बाद में आएगा because this is for particular solution, means you have to find a particular solution, but before that you have to check whether this differential equation is linear differential equation or homogeneous differential equation. पहले वो check करना है, वो सबसे important है. Okay, since you have to find the solution of this differential equation, first of all you have to check whether the given differential equation is a homogeneous differential equation or linear differential equation or Bernoulli's equation. Okay, मैं कल एक चीज बताया था, होमोजेनियस कैसे आइडेंटिफाई करना है जब x और y का डिग्री सेम होगा एंड वेयर x एंड y कैन नॉट बी सेपरेट. मतलब जहां पे जो इक्वेशन में x और y सेपरेट नहीं होता है और x और y का डिग्री सेम होता है, that type of differential equation is called homogeneous differential equation. Whereas in linear differential equation we can separate variable x and y, means we can arrange. Okay, see this question, e to the power, मैं सिर्फ एक ही टर्म दिखाऊंगा जिससे पता चल जाएगा कि वो इक्वेशन लीनियर डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन है और होमोजेनियस. e to the power y by x, we can't separate this y by x. Okay, so that means we can say that it is, this differential equation is a homogeneous differential equation. Now since this is a homogeneous differential equation, then what we have to do, you have to put y is equal to vx. When we have to put y equal to vx, if the equation contains dy by dx term. Okay, so if the equation contains dy by dx term, then you have to put y is equal to vx. So solution, before that can I write this equation as dy by dx is equal to y by x plus x into e to the power y by x by x. तो मतलब यहां से x x कैंसिल हो जाएगा. यस, dy by dx is equal to y by x, मतलब ये जो x था x से डिवाइड कर दिया एंटायर इक्वेशन को. ठीक है, नाउ पुट y is equal to vx. Since you have to put y equal to vx, so that means you have to differentiate both sides with respect to x. So differentiate it with respect to x. dy by dx is equal to v plus x into dv by dx. Put the value of dy by dx on left hand side of the given equation. So equation 1 implies v plus x into dv by dx, which is equal to, replace this y by vx, vx by x, x x कैंसिल रहेगा क्या, v प्लस यहाँ पे क्या रहेगा e to the power, e to the power v, because vx by x, again x x कैंसिल तो v रहेगा. So from here we can cancel v from both sides, तो रहेगा क्या x into dv by dx, which is equal to e power v. होमोजेनियस डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन में क्या करना पड़ता है, y equal to vx पुट करने के बाद then you have to differentiate both sides with respect to x. वही dy by dx का वैल्यू गिवन इक्वेशन में पुट करके इसके बाद क्या करना है, you have to use variable separable method because here dv by dx is there and here variable v and x is there. Variable separable method means what, dv के साथ वेरिएबल v का टर्म होना चाहिए और dx के साथ वेरिएबल x का टर्म होना चाहिए. इसको कैसे सेपरेट करना है, so this one equal, we can write it as x by dx is equal to e to the power v by dv. Yes, x by dx is equal to e to the power v by dv. But this is not standard टर्म और स्टैंडर्ड इक्वेशन बिकॉज वी कांट इंटीग्रेट इट, तो इसका रेसिप्रोकल करना पड़ेगा. सो विच इंप्लाइज वी कैन राइट इट एज dx by x इज इक्वल टू e to the power v, sorry, dv by e to the power v, or we can write e to the power minus v dv. okay, e to the power minus v because इसको रेसिप्रोकल करने से e to the power v dv by e to the power v होगा, which can be written as e to the power minus v. So after separating the variable, then you have to integrate on both sides. So integration dx by x is log x. This is equal to, what is integration e to the power x dx? We know integration e to the power x is e to the power x. E to the power minus x dx is minus of e to the power minus x. So e to the power minus v is minus of e to the power minus v. Here you can write plus c or minus c, doesn't matter. Okay, so this is equal to, better you write plus c only, नहीं तो confusion हो सकता है क्योंकि minus c क्यों लिखा. ये जो minus e power minus v मिला, इसको लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में लेके आने से क्या हो जाएगा अभी, log x plus e to the power minus v, this is equal to c, or we can write log x plus, now replace this v by y by x. yes, जनरली हम लोग लास्ट में रिप्लेस करते हैं. सो थोड़ा सा स्पेस कम हो गया, मैं ऊपर में लिखता हूं. आफ्टर दिस स्टेप नाउ आई एम राइटिंग हियर log x plus e to the power minus v is equal to c, or log x plus e to the power minus y by x, this is equal to c. Now you have to use this condition, y of 1 equal to 0. Since here y of 1 equal to 0 is given, so replace x coordinate by 1 and y coordinate by 0. So here if I put x equal to 1, so log 1, the value of log 1 is 0, plus here if I put y coordinate 0, so 0 by anything is 0 and e to the power 0, this is equal to c, and we know e to the power 0 is 1, so the value of c is 1. Put the value of c in this equation, so therefore the required solution is log x e to the power minus y by x is equal to 1, because the value of c is 1, which is the required solution of this differential equation. ठीक है, see, this equation contains no arbitrary constant, that means it is a particular solution of the given differential equation. Okay, so this is the first question. Let us discuss the second question. The second question is the slope of, read the question properly, the slope of a curve at any point on it is the reciprocal of twice the ordinate at that point. Ordinate, not coordinate. Okay, twice the ordinate at that point. Once again I am reading the question. The slope of a curve, we know the slope of a curve at any point is dy by dx. Yes, slope of a curve at any point is dy by dx. On it is the reciprocal of twice the ordinate at that point. चलो ठीक है, यहाँ पे at any point mention किया. So at any point means, let us consider the point be x comma y. We know the slope of a curve at any point x comma y is dy by dx. Yes, this is equal to, क्या लिखा हुआ है देखो, on it is the reciprocal of twice the ordinate at that point. At that point means at x comma y. So here y ordinate means y coordinate. Ordinate means y coordinate, and abscissa means the value of x. So reciprocal of twice the ordinate at that point. Slope of a curve at any point is equal to reciprocal of twice the ordinate. Twice the ordinate means twice y. Reciprocal बोला मतलब 1 by twice y हो जाएगा. So according to question, this is given. dy by dx means slope of a curve at any point. Let us consider the point be x comma y. On it is the reciprocal of twice the ordinate at that point. Reciprocal बोला इसीलिए 1 by twice y. अगर reciprocal word mention नहीं करता तो dy by dx equal to only twice y होता. Why I have written here y? Because ordinate means y coordinate and abscissa means x coordinate. Okay, so this is the main differential equation. अभी क्या करना है? If the curve passes through the point 4 comma 3, that means here also x and y coordinates are given, then what will be the equation? I have not mentioned the options. Okay, options जरूरत नहीं है, सॉल्व करके जो सॉल्यूशन मिलता है वही होगा. ओके, इफ द कर्व पासेस थ्रू द पॉइंट 4 comma 3 बट वी डोंट नो द इक्वेशन ऑफ द कर्व. पहले तो इक्वेशन आइडेंटिफाई करना है ना, देन ओनली वी कैन रिप्लेस x कोऑर्डिनेट बाय 4 and y कोऑर्डिनेट बाय 3. So first of all, from this differential equation you have to find the equation of the curve. Now how can we find the equation of the curve? dy by dx equal to 1 by twice y. This is a differential equation or normal equation? It is a differential equation. So from this equation how can we find the equation of curve? तो इसको क्या करना पड़ेगा? सॉल्व करना है. जो सॉल्यूशन और जो इक्वेशन मिलेगा वही होगा इक्वेशन ऑफ द कर्व. तो इसको सॉल्व कैसे करना है? Can we use here variable separable method? Yes, of course. Here we can use variable separable method. So we can write here cross multiply कर दो, twice y dy. This is equal to dx. Now integrate on both sides. 2 into integration y dy, which is equal to integration dx. That is 2 into integration y dy. That means y square by 2. This is equal to integration dx is x plus c. 2 cancel. So y square is equal to x plus c, which is the equation of the curve. But this equation contains one arbitrary constant, of course, because first general solution मिलेगा. Okay, so since this equation passing through the point 4 comma 3, so y coordinate is 3, that means 9. This is equal to 4 plus c, or c is equal to 5. Put the value of c in this equation. Therefore y square is equal to x plus 5, which is the required equation of the curve. Okay.